Back in June 2018, Adjust launched the first app marketing benchmark tool ever to give publishers and marketers insights into how different verticals of the market are changing and help them understand how their own apps are performing, all for free without any sign-up needed. Customers always asked us, what's a good retention rate? Or what is an average cost per click in my vertical? So we built this dynamic tool so you could answer those questions for yourself whenever you want. And we were inundated with positive feedback. Version 2 of the tool is now live with fresh data from Q1 to Q3 of 2018. And we've also added 5 new metrics for filtering, including CPM and distribution of fraud type. So how does the tool work? The tool is designed to be the quickest way to understand the state of mobile marketing from a data-driven perspective. Simply select an app category and a time frame, and we'll immediately return key KPIs, including average retention rates, fraud rejection rates, and CPI. Taking an even deeper dive, like per region or per platform, is but a click away. No signups, no complex setting adjustments, just real data right there in front of you. So check it out and don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you have any questions.